Have you ever been in a Google Doc or maybe in some Google Slides and deleted something thinking it was gone forever? Or maybe you wanted to review a student's work to see how long they were working on an assignment or where they may be struggling. Well, there's something built within all Google Docs called version history. Version history allows you to restore a document to its original version, as well as have some valuable insights into how the document was created. So if we go under File, and then Version History, and then see Version History. Along the right side, you'll see this column that has the version history. There's a drop-down arrow that allows us to see in more granular fashion all the changes that were made to this document by date and by time. The one at the very bottom is the original document when it first started. So in this case, we see a document that was created at 7:43, and then at 7:44, it was filled with text. This green highlighting shows that this individual with a green dot beside them produced this work. If there was work done by someone else, you'll see it indicated by a different color. So in this case, we'll go up here and we'll look and we'll see that all these areas in purple were the result of this user's changes or edits. If we see something like a strike through, it shows something that was deleted. Here in purple, we can see that the W was capitalized by that user. Now, if a student accidentally deletes some work, this strike through here indicates that it was deleted and that they were working on it. So it might provide some valuable insights into the student's struggles. You know, there might be some good content here that you might want to have a conversation for. But if it was deleted and the student wanted to restore it, all you have to do is go to the previous version and then go up and restore the version up here. And this brings you back to that version. So each version is saved and can be restored. Now, the same occurs within Google Slides. So in Google Slides, here I am in version history. And what you will see is a thumbnail on the left side here. And this blue indicator shows that this change was made. If I go to that slide at the very top, you'll see it's highlighted in green again. And that was the change that was made by that user. So that's how you can see all the changes that were made within a Google Doc in version history.